Login failed on Coinbase App Fix. You're trying to open your Coinbase app to check your crypto portfolio, but instead of your dashboard, you see login failed. It's frustrating, especially when prices are moving fast, but here's how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Coinbase uses strict security protocols that require a strong and secure connection. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a private connection. Weak signals often cause failed logins. Next, check for an app update. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Coinbase, and tap Update if an update is available. Outdated versions can lose compatibility with Coinbase's latest security features. Now, re-enter your login information manually. Don't rely on autofill or saved credentials. They can contain old or incorrect passwords. If you've recently changed your password, double-check that you're using the newest one. If you use Face It or fingerprint login, disable it temporarily and sign in manually. Then, once you're in, re-enable biometrics. This refreshes stored authentication tokens that can sometimes expire after an update. Still seeing the login error? Clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Coinbase Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets the data while keeping your account intact. Also, confirm that your phone's date and time settings are set to automatic. Coinbase's servers rely on precise time synchronization, and even small mismatches can cause verification to fail. Finally, if you've tried everything and the problem persists, Coinbase might be experiencing temporary server downtime. This happens occasionally, especially during high trading volume. So next time you see login failed on Coinbase, don't panic. A quick connection check, app update or cache clear is usually all it takes to fix the issue, and you'll be back to trading, earning, and tracking your crypto portfolio in no time.